If you guys want to achieve this look, make sure you guys shop with DYHAIR777. Everything will be in the description down below. This is a 20-inch deep wave wig, y'all. Like, I just love when it look poofy. Like, oh my god, this is so cute. Alright y'all, so today I'll be installing a 20-inch deep wave wig from DYHAIR777. It is 180 density, it came really full, the lace was wonderful, and it was so easy to install. Make sure you guys go shop with them, and you won't be disappointed, I promise. All the information that you need will be in the description down below, so make sure you guys go shop with them and stop playing.
Jimmy on the beat, boy. Jimmy on the beat, boy.
Guys, so this is the finished product. Your girl is looking the fuck good. Stop playing with her. If you guys want to achieve this look, make sure you guys shop with DYHAIR777. Everything will be in the description down below. This is a 20-inch deep wave wig, y'all. Like, I just love when it look poofy. Like, oh my god, this is so cute. And it's a 180 density. 180. It's 180 density. Yes, like it's giving what it's supposed to give. I did a little half up, half down. And mind y'all, remember like my 5th wig that I installed. So like your girl is learning, but this was so easy to install because the lace was just, it melted. Like the lace melted real good. So make sure you guys shop with them. Tell them Max sent you. And they are affordable, so you don't gotta run your pockets that much. Like, look at it. I love it. It's so cute. Like a Barbie, you know, it's good when it's supposed to cave. I need some earrings, I need some lashes. Yeah, when I have my makeup on and everything, I'm gonna be like, bitch, who you? I'm like, bitch, who you? I'm talking too much. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys shop with DYHAIR777 once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.